It is absolutely easy to attract money, abundance, love, even luck using the law of attraction. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. You can find out what a mentoring program can do for you and your entire life. Look at you have no boundaries. You have no limits. When you learn the inner secret of manifesting, it really becomes easy. And I'm going to share some of those inner secrets right here on this video. So we're talking about attracting money and abundance and love and all of that good stuff easily, effortlessly. What makes it easy? What makes it effortless? In my own journey, I have to say that I have a hard head. I mean, I really struggled. And I really fought with myself. And especially when it came to money. And then all of a sudden, one day, I heard somebody, I don't even remember who it was, and they said, money is too damn easy to make. And I said, wow, that's like an affirmation. Money is too damn easy to make. Because I was taught from the time I was little that money was difficult to come by, that every penny had to be rolled up. We used to sit on the floor and roll up pennies as a kid in penny rolls. You probably don't do that anymore. You just go to the machine and dump it in. But we used to do that and then take them to the bank and then put it into the bank account. And I mean, we did everything, collect pop bottles and newspapers in order to make a little bit of money so that we could save it. And that was the mentality. And I understand that mentality. But what happens is it encourages limiting beliefs. It encourages doubt, and it certainly encourages fear. So high flyers, the key is that we want to be productive. We want to produce positive beliefs that will affect our subconscious mind and also our energy field. And when our energy field is sending out to the universe positive vibes, optimistic vibes, resourceful vibes, then it becomes obvious that the universe starts reflecting that back. It has no choice. It literally reflects back whatever you're putting out. Somebody says, how do I know if I'm doing the law of attraction right? And then they look into their wallet and there's no money there. Well, that's how you know. Or they keep having bad luck. And I don't necessarily believe in luck, but there is an energy vibe that we could call luck. And when you're on a flow, when everything is flowing with you, when everything is working for you, it's almost like luck is happening in your life. That's really what it is. So high flyers, the first thing you need to do is you need to dissolve these limiting beliefs, because everything is flowing in the direction of your intentions. It's already there. It's already present. But when you have these limiting beliefs, it's like putting on the brakes. So the first thing is having clear, and I mean clear, concise intentions and goals. One of the things I've learned in working with clients is if a prospective client says, I need to think about it, I need to mull this over, I need to talk with my husband, I realize that that person doesn't have clear, concise goals. And so I opt not to work with them, let them go somewhere else. Now, that's just my own personal belief system, but I have found that people with concise goals that know exactly what they desire, they just know it right then and there. When an opportunity appears before them, they're ready to take action if it fits within their dream, within their intention. They absolutely know. So I believe it's important to get tough with yourself. What do you believe? Write it down. What do you believe about your money? What do you believe about your relationships? What do you believe about luck? And what are your limiting beliefs? Write them down and be ready to take them on head first. Look, you've spent too many years sidestepping those limiting beliefs. Now it's time to challenge them head first. High flyers, one of the things that I think is important to do is to take all of your goals and intentions and reduce them down. Reduce them down to a simple sentence that you memorize, that becomes part of your life, that you live by. Here's my sentence. I am living a life of abundance, love, prosperity, and luck, doing exactly what I want with the people I choose. You see, even though I don't literally believe in luck, I understand that luck, that invisible energy we call luck, tends to happen when I'm not caught up in self-doubt, in self-pity, in worry, in fear, and limiting beliefs. That luck and abundance and love and money come easily into my life. One of the things that I think is absolutely critical is to ask yourself, who are you? What do you desire to be? Where do you want to live? How much money do you want to have? What kind of relationship do you want to have? You see, I am always asking myself these questions. Where do I want to live? How do I want to live? What kind of lifestyle do I want to live? I have to be specific because my intentions, my goals, and my dreams, they can't be vague. They have to be specific. Well, number 2 is affirmations. Affirmations daily, inside and out, from morning till night. See, there's this thing called cognitive dissonance. And what happens with cognitive dissonance is you tell yourself one thing: I am rich. I am attracting tons of money every day. And then your mind says, no, you're not. You're poor and you're working hard for a living. So now you've got this conflict going on. You've got this conflict going on between what you're putting into your mind and what your mind actually believes. One of the most powerful ways to overcome this is affirmations. Now, look, when I told myself that I earned X amount of dollars per week, I didn't believe it at all. I thought it was ridiculous. I thought it was crazy. I thought there was no way in this lifetime I would be earning that kind of money. Now I'm earning more than that. I'm earning double that. And now I look at that and I just go, wow, it's just zeros, high flyers. That's all it is. Just a bunch. You know, if you're making $10 a week and you're struggling with the idea of making 100, it's just another zero. That's all it is. But you get there through affirmations, powerful affirmations. What you think about over and over and over and over and over is what you do and what you will attract. So what happens with this cognitive dissonance is one of two things will happen. Either your beliefs will change or your actions will change. And usually both of them will change. Your beliefs will change and your actions. And that's how attracting money and love and abundance and prosperity and luck become easy. So high flyers, the third thing I like to do is to challenge my negative beliefs with facts. If, for example, I believe that I'm too old to take on a certain activity, I look for other people that are older or were older when they took on the same activity. I mean, there's all kinds of people that have become super successful later on in life. I challenge it with facts. If I believe that I can't have the relationship I desire because of whatever reason, I look for other people that have had similar experiences and have saved their marriage or saved their relationship. You know, there's all kinds of people that have bought houses, new cars with no money down. There's people that have paid off their debts literally overnight. Many people have had their debts removed. Now, if they can do it, you can do it. Look for people that have done what you want to do and challenge your fears and doubts and limiting beliefs with facts. So, high flyers, number 4 is write a mission statement. If you've watched my videos for any length of time, you know that I'm very, very pro mission statement. What is your life about? Why are you here? What is your purpose? What is your mission? Now, if you want to know more about how to really write a good mission statement and the value of a mission statement, get the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by the late Stephen Covey. That book will change your entire life, and you'll understand the value of a mission statement. You see, when you have a mission statement that is burnt into your soul, when you know why you're here, when you know what your mission is, what your purpose is, and you are committed to moving forward in the direction of your dreams and goals, singing your song, nothing can stop you, and you attract easily. I believe you will attract the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on. It's all yours. It's already present. Accept it. Open up to it. Challenge your limiting beliefs and move forward in the direction of your dreams and goals. Hey, don't forget to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.